Hello, welcome back to Light Recipes. Today we are going to make Piddi Kulakkatai. Heat the kadai, pour 2 tablespoons of oil, add little mustard seeds, allow it to splutter. Add chana dal little, add broken urud dal, add jeera. I'm going to prepare with half a cup of rice flour. Add chopped curry leaf, chopped green chilies and ginger. Just salt it and keep it in flame for 1 minute. That's it, off it. I am adding this half a cup of rice flour to one vessel. Sprinkle water 2-3 times. Add the seasonings. Sprinkle water 2-3 times. Mix it nicely. Add little salt and take little and make shape with your palms. Likewise, shape all the dough. Lot of rice flour brands are available in market. You can make this recipe with that also. I am using homemade rice flour. Kulakkatais are a healthy recipes with zero oil. So from children till adult, everybody can eat. You can keep tomato chutney as a side dish also. Tomato chutney gives more spiciness to kulakkatai. I mean kara kulakkatai. Now the kulakkatais are ready to steam cook. So place all the kulakkatais on the idli pan above the cloth. Allow it to cook for 10 minutes. I have made 2 different shapes. You can eat this with idli podi for evening snack. Basically, this is a recipe for Vinayaga Chaturthi. We can make for evening snack also. Depends upon your needs. Take rice flour and prepare seasoning. See, now Kara Piddi Kulakkatais are ready. Likewise, you all prepare, subscribe, comment and like the video. Hope you all like the video. It's easy to understand.